welcome back. As you can see, my passion twists are very frizzy, and that is because it is Washday. I am so happy, you guys. I've been literally waiting all week to take these out, and not for any particular reason. It's just, you know, I'm just ready. I'm ready to get my curls back. Today's video is going to be about my passion twist experience. You know, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I'm just gonna really go into depth about these passion twists. I know you guys had a lot of questions throughout the week, so I'm gonna try to answer them all in this video. If I don't hit them all, you can also leave them in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to join the family. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Shoot, dog! First things first, you guys, I got this hair off of Amazon, and it was from a brand called Toyo Tress. I believe that's how you say it, Toyo Tress. I'll leave a link in my description box so you guys can go check it out. I was originally gonna get the Free Tress Water Wave, but it was out of stock, so I found the next best thing. I actually have some hair left. This is what it looks like. It's like crochet hair, I guess, and it's really beautiful. It didn't get nappy or anything throughout the weeks. It didn't really stick together, and I was expecting that because people are saying that they experience like the hair getting nappy and stuff with the other Free Tress hair. So I was like, why not, you know, just give this a try. I bought 6 packs for $34 when I got it, and I have Prime, so I didn't have to pay for shipping or anything, and it came really fast. It also came with that crochet hook and also some hair jewelry and rubber bands, so that was really cute, I thought. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave a link in my description box. My friend actually did my hair. Shameless plug, her name is Hair by Raja on Instagram. I will leave her in my description. She slays everything, you guys. I actually took a little video of when she was doing the process, so I'll just insert that right here. Okay, so as you can see, Araja is taking the end of a rat tail comb and just making a basic little straight section across my head. And then she's taking some gel and just laying down those hairs to secure them in place. And then she's just sectioning that long section into smaller squares, as you can see on the bottom row below. And then she's going to take a rubber band and just secure the section. I like to soak my rubber bands in sweet almond oil or castor oil just so that there's less breakage and so that it can nourish my scalp at the same time. So after the rubber band is on and secured, Araja just takes the crochet tool and sticks it through the very top of the rubber band, the area closest to my scalp. And then she just adds the synthetic hair to the end of the hook part and then creates a little knot just like you would with a box braid. So after creating the knot, Araja just began twisting my natural hair into the synthetic hair, and we just used some Eco Styler gel, the argan one I believe, just to twist all of my hair up. And that's pretty much it, guys. It was super duper easy. The hair was very controllable, it didn't frizz up, and the end result was super beautiful. She just curled the ends with her fingers. I bought this satin braid bonnet from the beauty supply store. This was $5, and I found one on Amazon for even less, so I'll link it in my description. At nighttime, what I would do is I would kind of oil my scalp and slick my edges down with Edge Booster, and then I would take this bonnet and just put all of my twists into the bonnet. I'm doing this wrong right now, but you guys kind of get the gist. I'm just gonna weigh the cons now of this hairstyle. A con is that it was really itchy, you guys. Like, it was so itchy. This hairstyle was so itchy. Is this hairstyle heavy? This hairstyle is pretty heavy, but I've never gotten any you know, extensions or like weave added to my hair before. So on the first day, I literally, like, my neck was broken. Like, I had no experience, so it felt really heavy for me. I would say like an extra 3 pounds on top of my head. That's what it felt like to me. Over time, you really get used to it, and it's not as bad. Another question that I kept getting was how to maintain the twist. What I would do is I would untwist my twist whenever it got frizzy, and then this Texture ID foam, which is my favorite product, you guys, I would just take a pump, untwist my twist, and just retwist it like a regular twist. but instead of twisting it super tight and getting like a Senegalese twist, I kind of twisted it loose and like raggedy because it gives it like that really pretty curly look. Throughout the days, I will say that the springy curly look does fall and your hair starts to look like, you know, regular Senegalese twists. As you can see, like these look regular, some of them in the back look regular, but then there are some that are still kind of curly. And yeah, so the good things about this style, super cute, goes well with every outfit, and it's just really flattering and very natural looking depending on how much hair you leave out and, you know, what method you use and what hair you use, obviously. But would I get this style again? Yes, I definitely would, but I think I'll keep this to like a summer style. I don't think I'll get it anytime soon. It was just a super nice thing to try, and I think I pretty much covered everything, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna take these out and you can follow me into the washout process. Okay guys, so I finally just removed all the twists, and honestly my hair is looking a little thin and very dry. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply a deep conditioner. I'm gonna make a DIY conditioner from yogurt, olive oil, and honey. I'm gonna let that sit in my hair, and then I'm going to go in the shower and wash my hair. So I have this Chobani Greek yogurt cup, and I'm just gonna add in about a tablespoon of olive oil and then a tablespoon of honey. Guys, so my towel looks like it's glowing on camera and it's really funny and I don't know how to fix it, so just ignore that. But I have this whole in shower routine planned, and I was recording and my camera died like halfway through the video, so I can't include that. But I can just show you guys the products I use to shampoo and condition my hair. I used this Pantene Pro Blends Rose Water Sulfate Free Shampoo and Conditioner. You guys, they smell so good, and they feel amazing on the hair, and they don't strip my curls or anything. I really like it. I actually took it from my mom a while ago, and yeah, I just loved it ever since. So that's what I used, and I'm gonna show you what I use to style my hair. Okay guys, so as you can tell, my hair is literally like 40% dry right now. It is so hot, so that's why it's drying so fast, but I'm just gonna style it really quick. And to style, I'm just gonna split my hair up into 4 or 5 or 6 equal sections. The first product I'm gonna apply is this Texture ID styling foam. I talk about this all the time, you guys. This is my all-time favorite product. It is so amazing, and it keeps my curls intact. It doesn't feel alcohol-y because it has marshmallow root in it and wheat protein and also argan oil. So I just take about 4 or 5 pumps of that. I like to just put it throughout my hair. I actually got this idea from Goldie Naps on Instagram. She uses a foam as a primer for her wash and goes, and I've been doing that, and you guys, it's so amazing. So I just like to work that in. A little goes a super duper long way. So So for our next product, I'm just going to take this Organics Tea Treatment Conditioner, and I'm actually going to use it as leave-in. I use all of their conditioners as leave-in because they're just so bomb. And I prefer this conditioner over the Coconut Curls one or the Aupuhi one and Kukai Oil one, because this one just leaves my scalp feeling really, really tingly, and I love the way it smells, to be completely honest with you. And I'm just going to use my fingers to do my edges, guys, because I lost my edge brush and I am not trying to look for it right now. So we're just going to do a ghetto edge application real quick. And they're not going anywhere anyways. They're behaving pretty well today. Okay, so now that all the products are in, I'm just going to go ahead and give my hair a little bit of a scrunch before we diffuse. And I just want to diffuse because my shape, I feel like, is going to be a little bit wonky, you guys. So I want to kind of disguise that as much as I can. And I feel like I get a more uniformed shape when I diffuse my hair. Okay guys, so my shape right now is looking a bit wonky, so just to freshen it up and get my hair nice and big and voluminous, I'm going to go ahead in with some sweet almond oil, and I'm just going to rake that throughout my hair. Okay guys, so last but not least, I'm going to go in with this Batiste dry shampoo. This is in the scent Fruity Cheeky Cherry, and it smells so good, you guys. It smells like a fruity cheeky cherry. That's what that smells like. That's the exact scent. So I'm going to take this Batiste dry shampoo, and I'm just going to focus that. Guys, it's like 2 in the morning and I'm filming and I'm about to wake everybody up. I'm just gonna focus it on my roots. I go very light because I don't want to leave a white cast. If you want to know more about this hack, I also have a video on this on my channel as well. But I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna spray it on my roots. And now I'm going to take my fingers and I'm just gonna shake that out. Okay guys, so I'm done styling and this is what my hair is looking like. It's really not that bad. I was expecting it to be a lot worse, but I really think that deep conditioner came in clutch, you guys, because if I had completely skipped it, my hair probably would have been 10 times drier than it is now. It's very moisturized looking and my curls are popping. I'm just going to show you guys the back real quick. Okay, so once again, my shape is a little bit wonky, but it's nothing too drastic. A few takeaways. Would I do this style again? Like I said before, probably not for a very long time. I do believe that I experienced a lot of breakage with this style, even in the shower clip that kind of got lost in the process. I lost a lot of hair, you guys, like a lot of hair, like this entire palm of my hand full of my hair. And I know people say that it's normal to lose a lot of hair when you have twists and protective styles and braids in, but I don't know, it was just an unnatural amount of hair loss, I think. And I thought, even when I was styling just now, like, my hair felt super duper light, you guys. I don't know if it's just me not being used to it, but it just felt really light. My ends aren't tangled or anything. Everything looks pretty normal and good. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any tips for me on the takeout process or the wash out process for next time, please leave them in the comments below. Let me know what you thought about this style and if you are planning to do it this hot girl summer or maybe next year's hot girl summer. And thank you guys so much once again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please, and I will see you in my next video.